Hey everyone, my name's Raj Ute and it's time to take a look back at the tech news in the week that was September 16th to September 22nd, 2018. Amazon held a surprise event this week and announced more products that I could list in under 5 minutes, so we'll focus on the most interesting. First up, they updated the Echo Dot, Show and Plus. All stay the same price, which is nice, but see cosmetic upgrades as well as better speakers for the Show and Plus. The Echo Sub is an Ottoman-looking subwoofer that for under $200 will pair with one or two Echo Pluses to create a 1.1 or 2.1 stereo pair. In a further play to invade the home entertainment space, Amazon also announced the Echo Link and Echo Link Amp, which allows you to use your existing speakers with the Alexa system, very similar to the Sonos Amp products. Lastly, Amazon announced a series of Alexa-enabled products like a wall clock and a microwave that won't be available outside of the US and don't implement Alexa entirely. Rather, they do things like display Alexa set timers or let you say certain commands only. GoPro, unfortunately for them, held an event on the same day. Their announcement was much smaller, unveiling the new GoPro Hero 7 version of the Ailing action camera series. The new Hero 7 comes in a base white model, a silver, which uses the same image processor, and a black, the flagship that can do things like live streaming and has better image stabilization. Tesla, and more so Elon Musk, find themselves in deeper water this week, with the US Department of Justice announcing they're conducting a criminal investigation into Musk's now infamous tweet about the privatization of Tesla at $420. The SEC is already investigating the tweet and its intentions after stock rose immediately because of it. Today, after the announcement of the criminal investigation, Tesla stock has, however, fallen sharply. Not one to miss out on a golden opportunity, Sony have announced they'll be releasing a miniature version of the original PlayStation. Called the PlayStation Classic, the mini console will include 20 PS1 games, including Final Fantasy VII, Ridge Racer, and Tekken 3. The PlayStation Classic is $149.99 Australian dollars and available for pre-order now for delivery on December 3rd. And lastly this week, a bunch of very lucky people got to play a good 90 minutes of Red Dead Redemption 2, and all of them seem exceedingly impressed. Read the reports at your own peril, however. Whilst they're pretty much spoiler-free, you may want to go in knowing nothing. Rest assured though, if you are a fan of the original or other Rockstar games, then it looks like you'll be more than happy with what's in store. Rockstar also announced that Red Dead Redemption Online won't be available when the game launches, but instead will offer a beta in late November. The online version is set in the same world as the main game, but like GTA, is its own ongoing experience. And that's it for another week. If you enjoy listening or watching the show, then please leave a review on iTunes, give it a thumbs up on Facebook, or hit subscribe over on YouTube. Whatever's close to how you watch. On the website this week, we have a review of the gorgeous Melbourne-made indie game, The Gardens Between, as well as a review of one of the best budget 4K HDR monitors available on the market, the BenQ EL2870U. Have a great week, and bye for now.